Outsourcing in civil engineering has long been a topic of debate. Many argue that outsourcing may reduce opportunities for local engineers and prevent in-house teams from participating in critical project components. Yet when we look more deeply, a clearer reality emerges. Outsourcing, when applied correctly, does not replace the workforce but instead expands technical capacity and strengthens local skills. Rather than being a threat, outsourcing becomes a driver of innovation and long-term growth. One of the clearest examples of this value comes from AXA Engineers. As a pioneer in civil engineering outsourcing and technical support, AXA Engineers has demonstrated its role not only in handling complex workloads, but also in enhancing the capabilities of local partners. In many major projects, AXA Engineers has shown that outsourcing can be a strategic lever rather than just a temporary solution. With advanced expertise in civil 3D, storm and sanitary analysis, grading optimization, and vehicle tracking simulation, AXA Engineers consistently delivers technical excellence while elevating the overall quality of projects. What sets AXA Engineers apart is its approach rooted in collaboration and knowledge sharing. Complex 3D models, hydraulic design drawings, and simulation data are not simply handed over as finished products, but are integrated through modern collaboration platforms such as Autodesk Construction Cloud. This enables local engineers to directly participate in analysis and adjustments while learning how to apply advanced tools throughout the project process. It is not merely about outsourcing tasks, but about building long-term expertise within the teams involved. In practice, many local engineers who have worked alongside AXA Engineers have gained access to new workflows such as using Dynamo to automate repetitive processes, applying grading optimization to address complex terrains, or deploying hydraulic models to more accurately predict rainfall impact and water flow. These skills not only help deliver projects faster, but also increase accuracy and reduce risks in design. More importantly, after each project, the local workforce emerges stronger, better prepared, and more confident to take on new challenges that may once have seemed out of reach. Projects involving AXA Engineers often demonstrate how outsourcing can be used as a development strategy. When facing sites with complex terrain, stringent environmental regulations, or demanding timelines, many companies turn to AXA Engineers as a strategic partner. Instead of worrying about staff shortages or limited expertise in specialized areas, companies gain comprehensive support from a team highly experienced with the most advanced tools and capable of executing the most complex technical requirements with precision. The impact of this collaboration extends far beyond project results. With each engagement, AXA Engineers provides sustainable value. Local engineers learn how to integrate data from multiple sources, how to apply digital platforms to control quality, and how to analyze detailed technical factors to make optimal decisions. This knowledge-sharing process is changing perceptions of outsourcing. It is no longer seen merely as a cost-saving measure or a short-term solution, but as a powerful instrument for strengthening competitiveness, building stronger teams, and preparing for larger and more ambitious projects in the future. For leaders in civil engineering, the key question is no longer whether outsourcing weakens the local workforce. Instead, the question is how to use outsourcing as a strategic investment. With the right partner, outsourcing delivers dual benefits, completing projects with high quality and efficiency while simultaneously upgrading the internal team's capabilities. In this journey, AXA Engineers has proven to be a top choice by combining deep technical expertise, advanced technology, and a strong commitment to knowledge transfer. Looking ahead, civil engineering will continue to face increasingly complex challenges: rapid urbanization, strict environmental demands, and the growing need for modern infrastructure. These challenges require not only existing resources, but also close collaboration between in-house teams and external partners. In this context, AXA Engineers stands out as a strategic ally, providing solid technical solutions, flexible support, and lasting value through skill development for local teams. Outsourcing is no longer a trade-off between reducing costs and losing opportunities for in-house staff. When implemented correctly, it is an investment in knowledge, in capacity, and in the future. AXA Engineers is clear proof of how outsourcing can be transformed into competitive strength, helping companies not only deliver projects at the highest quality, but also build a sustainable foundation for growth in the years to come.